Hello, YouTube. Hello, beautiful day, YouTube. It's a beautiful day. And it's your boy, Fila Hemi Life, now in a C8. Don't forget to follow me over there on Instagram. The name is Fila_C8 top down. And we're bringing you a new one today. Today, we will be removing the high wing spoiler. That's right. We will be removing the current high wing spoiler. I got my man Patish here. He's a Corvette specialist over there at GM. I brought him to my garage. Special discount. He's going to remove the current high wing, and we're going to be installing the carbon fiber one. So if you don't know, it is a simple process. You got to remove all the front screws first of all. It's not a simple fire. But we're going to be here giving you this today. Now, carbon fiber. Carbon fiber. As you see, it's the process of taking this off. That's right, YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thumbs up and like this kind of content. Don't forget to subscribe. I can't stress the most. Don't forget to subscribe. This is how it's done. Live, right here, right now, YouTube. We're taking this off, removing that. Out with the old and with the carbon fiber. You dig? All right, YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe. We at the part where we're gonna remove the bumper. Or at least take it down enough so that we can change out that highway. I'm not really sure, but wherever I ordered this, or Dr. Chevy ordered this high wing from, the quality was very cheap. I would like to now show you the screws. As you see, YouTube, the screws was rusty within a month. It's only been on there. And with that, I decided to get a better quality one. I thought that Chevy put a bad quality one on there or something, because look at it. But now, we're going to remove that. That's where we at. It's your boy, Fila Hemi Life, now in the C8. With skills, see how we remove the tail lights. It's part of the process. In order to get this high wing off, we must remove those tail lights. As you see, they're both gone. As you see, they're both
No, solo pongo el mando. Por encima va, por encima. Eso. Ahí téngale.
high wing from the C8. Everybody needs a high wing from the C8. Get with me. Carbon flash coming on. Yes, YouTube. So this is from Paragon Performance. This is the carbon fiber highwing. Look at that.
Eso sí. No, eso no tocamos. ¿Ah? Eso nosotros no tocamos.
That weed. It's carbon fiber. Carbon fiber. That's right, YouTube. You see it. You see all the stuff going on. You subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to this channel. Thumbs up. Look at the carbon fiber. Let me get a little closer. In fact, a little closer. Ooh, look at that weed. That's all carbon fiber. Thanks to Paragon Performance. Huh? Carbon fiber highwing. YouTube, look, I got a collection of Corvette wings. There's your Z51, the one the car comes with. There's your carbon flash high wing. There's your factory exhaust. All these parts came off the Corvette. The Corvette, baby. Carbon fiber, YouTube. Carbon fiber. That's right, Paragon Performance. Carbon fiber. High wing sport. Paragon Performance. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thumbs up. It helps the algorithm. You heard? Thumbs up. Follow. Go to IG. Fila _ CA top down. This is where we're doing this. This is where we're playing with this here car. You see it, carbon fiber, YouTube. Almost over, YouTube. Almost over.
Esto no sirve, es plano, no. Pues, no sirve que será. This is el plano de los carros. Para cómo colocarlo. Really. Este es para cómo colocarlo. Pero no sé de cuál sea, tú así es de delante. Agárrale, este es de delante.
Almost.
Espera, que no espera nomás. Claro, necesito eso.